A real 12 o'clock wheelie right there. Thing runs like a cut cat, man. Woo! Little switchback area. You got your belt lost her. Twice. All good. We got the 125 at least decently clean for next weekend. I'm sure I missed a couple of spots, but had a good time today. Met some good people. Got 2 loop outs out there, both of them on camera, and we didn't lose the rear fender. It just straight unfolded, and then one of the times it just straight up left me. So it was a good day. Next weekend I think we're gonna load up Grandpa Chuck and go out there and do some riding, kind of peek around. He's got an 08 450 that fingers crossed I can talk my buddy into buying it. So have more people to ride with, more people to throw on the videos and go out to Talladega. So if you guys are excited for next weekend, you like seeing Trey, you like seeing Grandpa Chuck, drop a like, a comment, a subscribe. It all definitely helps. I appreciate you guys for watching. I sound like Joe Biden. I might have found a plug. Didn't turn the gas on.